Hi, I'm Bear Grylls, and today we are going to check out the T-bird. And there are only a few species in this world, and one of them is here in New Zealand. Now here we go, let's go check it out.
This food he found off the ground. Let's see what he's gonna do. This bird is just sitting here.
Yeah, I might be interviewed.
This is gonna go on live TV.
Don't get your white shirt.
What? He might get crashed. Watch this bird.
The T-bird, standing there. He is the only native bird from New Zealand. There is 4 in existence, and the other 3 are out west for hibernation at this time of the year. I just can't understand why this bird isn't with them. Now the T-bird is gonna eat that for dinner, what he's holding in his hand right now. Now this is Honey Lamb, the only student who asks teachers if they're pregnant. Moving on.
And there's the bird.
This
He thinks
is
he's cool.
part of the Rangireiri side, yeah? So it's Mirimiri, the Maori withdrew to the next defensive line. This
Because
is the
he's
next
a
defensive
bird.
line. Over on my left, on your right, you can see the Waikato River. Yep. You can't walk on water, I can't. Yep. So
The T-bird here does not know how to use electronic devices such as that phone he has in his hand. So what he does is uses the mobile phone as a mirror to put on his makeup, as he has a date tonight with a horse.
And he can't laugh. And there's the bird. He's just waiting for something good to happen.
He's videoing.
This is a documentary for MTV. Please stay silent.
Just follow him.
And there's the bird. He's gonna fly off now. Okay, he's taking off now.
He's learning how to fly. Oh, he actually fell off it.
He's about to fly.
So I'd like to introduce you to my friend Sanjay, who was documenting about
Here is the bird.
a bird who was about to fly off the...
See how high it's gonna fly? It's about 2 meters. Okay, you can start flying now.
where Sunday used to live.
And that's not even funny. Okay. See what he's gonna do now.
Oh, he's picking the grass for his nest.
That's his dinner.
For his nest, kid.
Oh. So we're gonna make a nest, okay?
Up on there.
It's okay, we're gonna make a nest. And there's where he's gonna make his nest. On top of there. Yeah, he's gonna go make his nest. He's got some supplies, but he's gonna make it now.
Nice.
Yeah, turn around,
Turn around.
And he's gonna get it.
He's doing man.
There's no letter, so he's gonna fly it now.